Last
Good afternoon, sir.
very good afternoon. So last class continuation. That is classification or odd man out. Classification or odd man out. This is divided into last class division once again. First, it is based on coding and decoding. Or alphabet series. Alphabet series. And second thing is number series. Number series. Third one is word based. Word based is nothing but general knowledge.
Miscellaneous questions.
Yeah, last and final miscellaneous. Last class we discussed coding based number series. And again, number series also we discussed the type. Now we'll see word based. Now let's see how many types are there. In word based, they will ask country, capital, currency. Then second one, measurement or instrument or quantity unit. For example, current, it is used to measure by ammeter, voltage, voltmeter, like that. Then third one, study and name called. Fourth one is female, male. Fifth one is animal, young one. For example, dog, its young one is puppy, like that. Then animal, sound. And again, seventh one, animal, its dwelling place. Animal or thing, its dwelling place. Dwelling place means where they live. For example, lion, it is lived in a den, right? Aeroplanes, they are kept at hangar, HANGR, like that. Okay, so like this. And again, quantity, name called. So like that. So we'll discuss all these things in word based. Once again, I'll repeat, listen carefully. So word based, they will ask country, capital, currency, match the following, like that they give. Then unit and measurement or physical quantity and its units. Study and name called, male and female, animal and young one, animal and sound, animal thing or its dwelling place, right? So these we are going to discuss. We have more and more. If we getting into deep, they will ask more and more. From history also they will ask you questions, but not that much deep. So these are basic things which were given in a previous years, right? Now first, you should, if anybody copying,
Yes.
Sir.
yes, please copy or make a screenshot.
Just a second, sir.
We'll see some important country, capital, currency, and a continent. Okay, number 1. Please copy all of you. If I dictate, can you write or not?
Okay, sir.
Okay. First one, Afghanistan. Afghanistan. What is Afghanistan? Capital is Kabul. Currency is Afghani. Afghan. And the continent is Asia. Then second one, only I'll write important, not all. Australia.
Okay, sir.
Australia. It's Canberra. Canberra. And the currency is dollar. And the continent is Oceania. Then third one, Argentina. Please copy. Argentina. Capital, Buenos Aires. Buenos Aires. Currency is peso. Continent is South America. We'll discuss some 35 to 50 important. Fourth one, Bangladesh. What is capital? Dhaka.
Dhaka.
Currency Taka. And the continent is Asia. Fifth one, Bhutan. These all are given in previous year. That's why only I'm writing previous years. Thimphu. Currency is Gultram. N silent. Gultram. Continent is Asia. Yes, please copy. If completed,
Completed, sir.
okay. Then next.
No, sir.
Yeah, please write. Copy. If I am fast, please remind me.
Sir, Timpo after what, sir?
Gultram. N silent. Gultrum. Gultram.
Okay, sir. Completed, sir.
Okay. Shall I move forward?
Okay,
Then
sir.
next one, Brazil. Important, Brazil. Given many times in exams. Brazil. Brasilia. Capital. Brasilia. And currency is real. Continent is South America. The next eighth one, Canada. Ottawa.
Sir, seventh one, sir.
Your dollar. North America. Chile. Capital Santiago. Currency peso. Continent South America. China.
Beijing.
Beijing. Currency yuan. Asia. Please copy all of you. Cuba. Havana. Espresso. North America. Twelfth one. Egypt, Denmark. Copenhagen. Rome. Europe. Egypt. Cairo. Pound. Africa.
Sir,
14th one.
sir,
Anybody
Avalas,
wants to
Sir.
copy? Please copy. Yes, 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 right. Write slowly now. Egypt, Cairo, Pound, Africa. We'll see up to 35 to 50 important country and its capital. All are given in previous years. If you said completed, then only I'll move forward.
Completed. Sir.
Completed, sir.
All of you completed?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Then 14, Fiji. Capital Suva. Currency dollar. Oceania means Australian continent. Fifteen, Finland. Helsinki. Mark. Marca. Europe. Almost all the European continent currency is euro, but some countries having other currencies. The next one, Germany. Important is Germany, Berlin, Mark, Europe. Then 17, Indonesia. Important. Jakarta. Rupiah. Asia. Iran.
సార్ రూపీ అని అంటే 1 రూపీ.
Yeah. Tell me.
రూపీ అని అంటే 1 రూపీ సార్.
No, not our rupee. It's rufiya. Not our currency. Iran, Tehran, Real, Asia. Iraq, important, Iran, Iraq, Baghdad, dinar, Asia. If you see here, Iran, Iraq are adjacent countries, but they have different currencies. If finished, I'll move forward. But please copy, these are important. Am I fast?
సార్ అది ఇరాక్ అది దినారా సార్ అది?
Dinar, D-I-N-A-R. See, this classification, odd man out, word based is some theory, somewhat bore, but make a patience.
Sir, Brazil they run the same currency, yeah?
No. Iran is real, Iraq is dinar. That's why both the countries are fighting always.
Sir, Brazil kuda real hai kad sir?
Yes.
REAL సార్.
No, Brazil is real. REAL, real is different. RIAL, real is different. Shall I move forward?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then next, Italy. Important, given many times.
సార్ దుబాయ్ కరెన్సీ సార్. సార్ దుబాయ్ కరెన్సీ సార్.
Yeah, which one?
దుబాయ్.
Dubai. I think Dubai is real. Right, next, Italy. Dubai is dirham yaar. Italy. Capital Rome. Capital Rome.
Sir, 19, sir.
Currency dollar. 19 completed na, last one. See 19.
Okay, sir.
Dollar and North America. We'll discuss up to 35 or 50. And all these are given previous years. That's why I'm writing. Then Japan, very, very important, given many times. Japan.
Tokyo.
Yeah, good. Tokyo.
Sir, Italy, Europe, sir.
Yeah, Italy.
Europe.
Not. Dollar. You can ask Google. She will give you correct answer. Later you can try. Japan, Tokyo, Yen, Asia. After completion of our class, please check in Google. Then Kenya,
సార్ యూరో చూపిస్తుంది సార్.
Italy dollar here.
యూరో అని చూపిస్తుంది.
Jamaican dollar. Jamaican dollar. Sorry, Italy dollar. Yes, Jamaican dollar. Jamaica and Italy are having same currency. Then next Kenya, Nairobi. Shilling currency, very, very important. Kenya, shilling, and it is African country. 23.
Italy, continent Europe, sir.
Yeah,
Continent Europe, sir. Italy.
Italy,
Continent Europe.
Euro.
Continent, sir.
Which one?
Continent.
Continent, North America.
Continent.
North America.
No, sir. Europe.
sir.
Italy. Once again. Wait.
కరెన్సీ యూరో అని చూపిస్తుంది సార్.
Oh, 1 second.
Euro, Europe, sir.
ఎట్లే కాంటెంట్ యూరోప్ అని చూస్తాను సార్. కరెన్సీ
Euro, sir.
Yeah. I'll check it.
Currency Euro, continent
Yes,
Europe.
currency is Euro. Sorry, yaar. It's a print mistake book. Yes, it is Euro. And the continent is
Europe, sir.
Europe, correct? Okay. Then see the next one. Malaysia. Kuala Lumpur. Dollar. That is Malaysian dollar. And Asia. 24. Maldives. Malay capital. Rufia. RUFIYAA. Continent Asia. 25. Myanmar. Important. Myanmar. Nabida. Nabida. Currency cat. Asia. Please copy. If completed, I'll move forward. Shall I move forward?
1 minute, sir.
Please copy, no problem. Am I fast?
Sir,
Okay. Then see next one.
Sir.
26.
సార్ మీరు ఫిఫ్త్ తర్వాత సిక్స్త్ చెప్పలేదు సార్.
Which one?
ఫిఫ్త్ తర్వాత సిక్స్త్ చెప్పలేదు సార్.
Okay. Now it is 25. No problem.
ఓకే సార్.
Nepal.
1 minute, sir.
Sir, Myanmar currency చెప్పరా sir?
Yeah, which one?
Myanmar currency, sir.
చెప్పారు క్యాట్.
Yeah, cat. KYAT. Nepal. Kathmandu. Currency Nepalese rupee, not Indian rupee. It is Nepalese rupee. Continent is Asia. 26. Netherlands, important. Amsterdam. Currency, guilder. Guilder, Europe. New
Sir,
Zealand.
Netherlands currency euro, sir.
Yeah, guilder, Guilder. New Zealand, important exam. Point of view. Wellington. Dollar, New Zealand dollar. Oceania.
Sir, Netherlands currency euro, sir.
Norway.
Sir, Netherlands currency euro, sir. Netherlands.
Is it perfect?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir. Netherlands, sir. 26th.
Maybe some of them are changed. Oh, old book. Then Norway. Oslo. Kron. Europe. Pakistan. Islamabad. Pakistani rupee, not our rupee. It is Pakistani rupee. Asia.
Mahatma Gandhi ordered, sir.
Yeah, Pakistani rupee or simply rupee. Asia. This is important. Philippines. Manila. Philippines peso. Country Asia. Please copy slowly. Shall I move forward?
1 minute, sir.
Okay.
Sir, Norway capital. Norway capital. OSB, sir.
Shall I?
Okay, sir.
Then see next 31. Russia. Moscow. Rebel. Asia. Important Russia. 32. Saudi Arabia. Riyadh. Currency real. Asia. $33. South Africa. Cape Town. Rand. Africa. Spain. Madrid. Peseta. Europe. Sri Lanka. So the new
Colombo,
capital
sir.
Sri Lanka is Jayawardhanepura.
Rupee Asia.
Sir, Spain currency euro, sir.
Jayawardhanepura. Rupee. Asia. Still you want means I'll write few more. If enough means I'll stop.
Sir, Sri Lanka capital, sir.
Jayawardhanepura, not Colombo.
Okay, sir.
Spain
Sir.
currency euro, sir.
Sir. Sir.
Chappan ma.
Sir, that one what's a rand? Captain.
Yeah, South
Yes,
Africa,
sir.
Cape Town, Rand, RAND.
Okay, sir.
సార్ స్పెయిన్ పెసెంట్ నుంచి యూరోకి మారిపోయారు సార్.
Peseta, PESCTA.
ఇప్పుడు యూరో వాడుతున్నారు సార్. ఇప్పుడు అఫీషియల్ గా యూరో చేస్తారు సార్. 2002 లో అఫీషియల్ గా యూరోకి మారారు.
Okay. Yes, completed. Is completed.
Completed, sir.
Then next one. Instrument and measurement. Yes, first one. Altimeter. It is used to measure altitude. Ammeter. Current. Voltmeter. Voltage. Anemometer. Velocity. Barometer. Pressure. Bolometer. Radiation. Calorimeter. Heat. Radiogram. Heart record. Crescograph. Growth of plants. Hydrometer. humidity, hygrometer, this is gravity of liquids, gravity of liquids, hygrometer, humidity. Copy slowly. If anything you want to repeat, I'll repeat.
Lactometer milk.
Yeah, which one?
Lactometer milks.
Yeah, milk. You can write here lactometer. Sweetness of milk. Or you can write purity of milk, both are same. Then if 13th one, odometer, speed. Sometimes it is called a speedometer also. And I'll write here 14. Seismograph, very, very important. Earthquakes,
Completed, sir.
okay.
Sir,
Yeah, please copy. Only I'm writing previous year ones, not all.
Ambimeter current, sir.
Yeah, completed.
yes, sir.
Yeah. Then 15. Tachometer. It is used to measure strains. Nothing but a speed of aeroplanes or boats. Thermometer. Temperature. Vernier calipers or simply vernier. very small scale length. That's it.
Ampere meter current, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Ampere meter current, sir.
Already completed ammeter current. Current. If completed, next. Animal and penguin. Animal and the name of penguin. Means జంతువు దాని చిన్న పిల్ల penguin. Only important, only for exam point of view, which were given in a previous year. Hen. What is penguin of hen?
Chick.
Yeah, good. Chick. Duck. Duckling. Cat.
Kitten.
Very good. Kitten.
చిన్నప్పుడు తెలిసి అడిగిన
Now, if completed, I'll move forward. It's important. Animal and penguin important. Most of the times given in previous years.
Completed, sir.
Okay. Then next one.
Sir, 1 minute, sir. I'll take a screenshot.
The last one you need. Cat, kitten.
Okay, sir. Completed.
Then next. Dog. What is dog?
Puppy.
Good.
Puppy.
Dog, puppy. Fifth one. Pig. Piglet. Butterfly. This is important given previous year. Butterfly. Caterpillar.
పిల్లరా
Yeah, caterpillar. Owlet. Buffalo.
క్యాల్స్
Yeah,
కాప్
calf. Kangaroo. This is important given previous year.
జాయ్
Its penguin is joy. In other countries, joy is a wine name. Goat. Kid. Rabbit. Kit. Deer. Fawn important. Deer important. Fawn given previous years. Horse important given previous years. Called.
గోట్ కిడ్ అంటారా చంద్రారా చంద్రబాబు
Sheep, lamb important given previous year.
Sir, horse and sir.
Cow, calf. Which one? Number.
Horse. 14.
14 horse called C-O-L-D. Called. 17 donkey given previous year. Donkey. It is foal. Elephant given previous year, important. Calf. Tiger, cub. Yeah, fish fry. So these are important animal and their young one. Please copy all of you. If anyone having a doubt, tell me the number.
Sir, 14, sir.
14 horse called C-O-L-T.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So tomorrow we'll see few more. Animal and its dwelling place. Animal and its sound. Study and the name it is called. We'll see tomorrow. Right? If you have any doubt, you can ask. Otherwise, thank you. Take care.
సార్ ఒకసారి ప్రీవియస్ పేజ్ పెట్టరా?
Yeah, okay.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
Sir, next page patterns.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Right, guys. Take care. Bye.
Bat, sir.
Yeah, which one?
Bat, sir.
Yeah, bat. What is the young one of bat? Bat young one. Pups.